Want to add location data to photos on your iPhone? Here's how in 60 seconds. First, make sure location services are enabled on your iPhone. It only takes a moment. Open Settings, then tap Privacy. Look for the shield icon. Tap Location Services at the top of the Privacy menu. This controls system location access. Scroll and find Camera and Photos in the app list, then tap each to open their settings. Set Camera and Photos to While Using to allow location access for new photos. Now open the Photos app and select the photo you want to tag. You can choose any image. Tap the Info button or swipe up to view photo details. A map and metadata appear. If no location appears, tap Add Location or assign a location to start. Type a place or address, then select a matching suggestion from the list. Be specific for best results. Tap Done to save the location into the photo's metadata. It stays with the file. To tag multiple photos, select them, tap the Share button, then Add Location. Now your memories are easier to find.